All right, we're back. This is Unit 2, Section 5 homework. Still doing zeros. And this is the second page, 13 through 24. So look, another 12 problems, but that's okay. This is the easy one, right? This is the easy part. So I'm going to continue what I did on the last page, on the first page. To find the zeros, I just want to find all the points that cross on the x-axis, okay? So this one, it crosses here and over here. Okay, again, I don't care what shape I have. I don't care what it looks like. My only concern is where it crosses on the x-axis. So it can look like anything. And some of these graphs, if you look down below, some of them look pretty dumb, I'll be honest. But I had to be creative and come up with some weird looking stuff just so you can see. It doesn't matter what it looks like. I'm doing the same thing every time. All right, so on these, I have -1. So it's -1, and it's always comma 0. And then over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, comma 0, and I'm done. Easy stuff. This will be on the next quiz and test. So, I mean, these are kind of gimmies, right? These are on the STAR test, too, the EOC. So hopefully you can get a few of these in and kind of help your overall grade if you need it. So these are questions hopefully you should not miss. All right, so I cross over here and over here. So the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, comma 0. And also, it doesn't matter the order. You can go, like you can put them in any order you want to as far as which point goes first. That does not matter. I always just go left to right. It's just easier because that's how we do most things on paper. Especially reading. You can't read right to left. That just would be gibberish. All right, my next one, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, if you wanted to write 3, 0 first, then -5, 0, it's fine. I don't care. They're both correct. The order doesn't make a difference. As long as the zeros are always second. Okay, 15. Okay, 15. Here's my x-axis. I cross here, So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma 0. And that's it. I have nothing more to teach you. No, I'm just kidding. There's a lot more. This is the beginning of the year. Okay, on this page at least, I don't feel like there's much else to explain. But I will continue doing all of these just in case. You might get to a graph later and go, okay, I need to see how he did that one because it's just confusing. Okay, so in here, I cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Sound like the owl doing the Tootsie Roll pop. Yeah. If you've never seen that commercial, you should look it up. It's funny. Anyway, so I have 4 points, which means I have 4 answers on this one. So my first one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have -7, comma 0. Okay, this one is -2, comma 0. This one is 1, comma 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 0. And that's it. But notice the 0 is always second. Okay, you can't be first if you're a 0, because losers don't win. Terrible joke. Sorry that I made it. I actually just thought of that one too. That's a pretty good one. Okay, so I cross here, 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 and here. So 4 more. I have 4 answers. So I'm just going to write them all down, right? Okay, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, -5, 0. Oh no. There we go. Okay, my next one, -1, 0. My third one is 1, 2, 3, 0. And my last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, comma 0. And that's it. That's all I'm doing. I write the zeros and I move on. 18. I want to cross this line right here. I cross here, here, and here. This one only has 3. Okay. So my first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6, 0. Okay. I have one right in the middle, So that is 0, 0. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comma 0. And that is all. And to the next one. 19. See, funny looking graph. That is a legit function. Okay. I want to say that's like, let's see, 2 square root of x minus 4 parentheses minus 5, something like that. I don't know. I have to look at all the actual points. I'm just taking a wild guess here. Anyway, so yeah, that is a real graph. You may not see that one this year. Algebra 2 for sure. Anyways, all I care about now is where it crosses. Where it crosses is right here, which is dead on in the center. So 0, 0, and it doesn't cross anywhere else. So I'm done. That is it. That's just once. On to the next one. 20. I cross right here. I was very careful to pick this one and make it work the way it did because it did want to cross on a point. You know, I tried to make these, none of these cross in the middle, so none of them are decimals or anything like that. So they are all on the line. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. And this one's actually a negative cube root of 3, but it's like 2 cube root of 3, and then it translated left and up, so a whole bunch of stuff. But anyways, I just care about that right now. So that's all it is. On to the next one. 21. Okay, I want to cross the x-axis, which it only crosses right here, and that is negative 2, 0. And that's it. I only got the one, so one and done. 22. 22. Okay, I want to cross. Oh, can't even trace it. On the x-axis, so I cross here and here. So that is negative 1 and positive 1. So I have negative 1, 0 and positive 1, 0. And that's it. I'm all good. Only twice. And look at 23. This one's easier. I only have once, right? Okay, so again, I want to cross the x-axis. It crosses right in the middle. We all know the middle is the origin, or 0, 0. All right, that's it. 23 is easy. 24. Again, these are crazy graphs that you will see in Algebra 2. It's called a slant and a vertical asymptote. That's where, see, there's like an invisible line that doesn't touch. Anyways, you'll learn about those later. They're, let's see, rational functions, which are just fraction functions, but you have, anyways, no need to explain. Okay, so I want to cross the x-axis, and if you notice, it crosses right here and right here. So I have 1, 2, 3, negative 4, 0, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 0. And that's all I'm looking for. So look, we did 12 more. This one took a little longer because I had more points to draw, or I mean to write. Other than that though, same thing as the front. So yeah, so we're done with this page, which means we are done with this video.